Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log into your BigCommerce store account. Follow along these easy steps to ensure you access your online store quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Go to the BigCommerce login page. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the BigCommerce login page, www.bigcommerce.com, login. Press Enter to navigate to the page. Step 2. Enter your store domain. On the login page, you will see a field labeled Store Domain. Here, enter your store's specific subdomain. It usually looks something like yourstore.mybigcommerce.com. Once you have entered the correct domain, click the Next button. Step 3. Input your email address. After clicking Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your BigCommerce account. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any login issues. Step 4. Enter your password. In the next field, input your password. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you enter it exactly as you set it. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Step 5. Click on the Login button. Once you have filled in your email and password, click the Login button. This will take you to your BigCommerce dashboard where you can manage your store. Step 6. Enable two-factor authentication, optional. For added security, it is recommended to enable two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, requiring a verification code in addition to your password during login. Remember to log out after you finish editing your store, especially if you are using a shared or public computer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support helps us create more useful content for you. Happy selling on BigCommerce!